When you think of Tom Hanks, you might picture his heartwarming performances or blockbuster movies. But behind the scenes, Hanks has a passion far removed from Hollywood glamour. He collects typewriters. Not just a handful, Tom Hanks owns hundreds of vintage typewriters, each with its own unique story and character. His obsession began in the 1970s, and since then, he's hunted down rare and fascinating models from all over the world. For Hanks, typing on these machines is more than just nostalgia. He describes it as mechanical intimacy, explaining that the tactile feedback and timeless clatter of keys spark his creativity in ways a digital keyboard never could. He even travels with a typewriter, sometimes choosing a quiet cafe as his workspace, conjuring images of a classic writer at work. His love for typewriters has grown so much that he's collaborated to create his own custom models and even released an app that replicates the typewriter experience. For Tom Hanks, typewriters aren't just tools, they're treasured companions that fuel his imagination and connect him to a slower, more thoughtful way of creating.